Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at some new LED headlights for T-Dog's F-150. These LEDs are by OXILAM. This is their 2024 upgraded version of the 9005 HB3 LEDs for the high beams. These will fit on your 21 to 23 Ford F-150s with the halogen high beams in it. So the best part about these upgraded ones has new chips in it for longer life.
Nice.
Better cooling, again, longer life.
All right.
And about 700% brighter than your stock halogens.
Wow.
So
That's a lot.
yeah, a lot. So these are made to last, and it'll help you be safer while you're driving. So let's go ahead and open up the package and see what we got.
All right, here we go. Woo, look at that.
Snazzy little box already.
Yeah.
Another good thing about these two that I've read, they don't have the big bulky boxes that you need. It's all incorporated into the light, so there shouldn't be a lot of different I guess hookups. Just basically plug and play. Ooh, snazzy little gloves
here.
Yeah, all right.
No fingerprints on these new lamps. Product manual. Here's the big show right here.
There we go. Awesome. So let's take this out to the garage and get these installed into the truck. Should only take 5-10 minutes, and we'll show you guys the differences between the stocks.
The installation of these new OXILAM LEDs is actually pretty simple on this series F-150. What we're going to do is we're going to start with 3 different bolts right here, all 7mm, and then we've got one plastic push-in pin here. You just kind of start to unscrew it and then you pull it out. So let's get this fender well partially pulled back and we'll be able to access the lighting housing. This little pin right here, we're just going to give it a slight twist, loosen it, and we'll pull it right out.
Okay, now that T-Dog's got the bolts out, let's go ahead and pull this back a little bit. So we can get access in here. Now what we're looking at is right here. This is the high beam, and if I can pull this off, this is the dust cover, and that gets us to the actual light in there. So there's a little clip here. I'm just going to pull the top piece a little bit and it should pop right out. There we go. Got that. And then push in and turn counterclockwise. And there we go. We have our halogen out. And now let's grab the OXILAM LED and put her in.
Time to get this OXILAM LED into the light housing. It's just reverse of removal. Line it up. And then fish our little plug pigtail out of here. Come on. Here we go. And we'll throw the dust cover back on. Bam. And before we get everything buttoned back together, always a good idea to do a quick test to make sure everything's working properly.
Wow, that is bright. T-Dog, you're gonna wanna do the low beams next.
I think
Look
I'm
at
gonna have
that
to.
difference. Excellent. Okay, let's button this one up. All right, let's button this up. is to it. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Huge shout out to OXILAM for the LEDs. Worked great. Can't believe the results. T-Dog, you're gonna have to do the low beams now because it just doesn't look right.
Obviously, yeah.
It's so bright. So, hey, I'm gonna put a link below in the description so you guys can cop yourself some of these OXILAM LEDs. Great product. And also, if you want to use a coupon code Portie's Garage, which I'll put below here as well, you can use that and get an extra 15% off. So we'll see you guys in the next time. Please make sure you put on your post notifications, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.